Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to see you again. Thanks for joining us today. Now, today I'm going to be making onions in a spicy cumin sauce. So now I've got my pan on over the fire there, just heating up. And we're just chopping onions. So I'm going to chop the top off this onion, and Lexi's going to then peel it for me.
It was already done.
Yeah, I'm just going to chop the top off for you, and that'll make it a little bit easier. There we go. Pull that one up now. Okay, while I chop this one up. I can go in the fire. So the ingredients for this recipe today is onions, obviously, and almond milk. Again, we're going to be cooking them in almond milk like we did on the last recipe. We're also going to have breadcrumbs in this. Now, breadcrumbs are quite often used to thicken a sauce. Because it's soaked up some of the juice, but actually then we'll make a nice thick sauce. So we're going to add that, but not just yet. So just first thing we're going to do is we're going to fry the onions off. I need a sharper knife. Right, are you ready with that last onion, Lexi?
Not yet, I'm just still peeling it.
So with the onions and the almond milk and the breadcrumbs, we've also got cumin, which is obviously the main flavour in this, and some salt and saffron to give it a nice colour. I'm just going to get... That's it, get the fly going. How do you lift it up? Oh, I need to shove it up. There we go, thank you. Well done, Lexi. We're nearly there. Take this last bit off. There we go. Right, just going to chop this last onion up. Now, you can use any quantity of onions, but the recipe calls for a pound of onions and 2 cups of almond milk. I'm doing slightly smaller quantity today. Let's do this last one. Now, the breadcrumbs that I'm using today are the rolls that I made from my demonstration 2 days ago. Yesterday. I made the bread rolls yesterday in the oven. So they're a day old, a little bit dry. So I've just minced them up into
a bowl.
My breadcrumbs there. So all the onions are in there. Oh, they're making your eyes water.
They're making my eyes hurt.
Making your eyes hurt. Right, let's take them away from you then. Right. We're going to move over to the fire here now. Our pan should be nice and hot. So first of all, we're just going to fry the onions off a little bit. Just so they start to go a little bit soft. So I'm just breaking all the onions up so they're all in smaller pieces in here. It's frying off nicely now. Okay. Now to that we're going to add the spices directly to the onions. So start off with our cumin. So we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of cumin in here. So we want that nice strong flavour to come through. So there we go. There we go. That's that. Now the other ingredients, the other spice we're going to do is we're going to add some saffron. This gives it its lovely colour, bright orangey colour. We'll sprinkle that over the onions. And then lastly some salt. Now a little bit of pepper as well if you like a peppery taste. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's all of them. So thank you very much. And take a spoon as well for me. So we're just going to stir those in nicely to get the flavours all mixing together with those onions. Oh, the smell of cumin is lovely. So that's nicely.
That was the other thing I wanted to do.
Okay. So now I'm just going to pour in the almond milk. Stir that in and bring that up to the boil. Now the almond milk has changed to the lovely colour of the saffron now. So that needs to sit to boil for about 10 minutes. So we're just going to leave that there for now, and we'll come back to that in a little while. So